Now the next thing I want to tell everybody about is the difference in Chanson. There's many different ionizer brands on the world market. There's probably 15 or 20 different brands to choose from. I have investigated pretty much every brand out there, not only by looking into it, but actually purchasing the machines, disassembling them, taking them apart. I mean, just going in depth and studying these things. And I chose Chanson as my favorite for a multitude of reasons. Number one, it's a 30-year-old manufacturer. They are from Taiwan. They are a household name in Taiwan. They have complete respect and admiration of the people of Taiwan. It's like a Sears Kenmore of the United States, very highly respected brand. They are an ISO 9001 certified factory, which is a really big deal. You want to make sure that the ionizer that you purchase is safe. Not all ionizers I've ever tested negatively charge the water and make the water pH, so don't fall for these review sites and stuff that show these huge whopping pH numbers that don't matter. You're never going to use that water. What's important is the machine is safe and it's made by a reputable manufacturer that's been in business for a long time and has a great reputation. You're not going to find one better than Chanson. One of the many things that separates Chanson as a quality manufacturer from some of our competitors are that Chanson makes some of the most advanced pre-filters in the world. And we've been focusing on cleaning the water, treating it before it gets to the ionizer, knowing that that's the only way to handle your long-term health responsibly. So some of our other competitors use filters in the machines that aren't adequate. They don't take all the contaminants out of the water. Chanson is a proud filtration manufacturer. We've been in the filtration business for 25 plus years, manufacturing for 30 years. So we're really proud of our pre-filter systems, and this one in particular is the standard one we use throughout the United States. It starts out with a carbon block that takes chlorines, sediment out of the water. It has a fluoride, lead, and arsenic removal filter, and it has a heavy metal removal filter that also removes pesticides. There's 500 plus contaminants that are addressed by this filter. So this is one of the things that really sets Chanson apart. And you know, Chanson is a health company. They're not a water ionizer company. 100% of the product line is in the health category. Unlike some of our competitors who make rubber tires or, you know, washer and dryer parts, and there's nothing wrong with that. It just shows that the company's focus is not on health. Chanson is a company that focuses on health. We've been very happy with the feedback of the thousands of customers around the United States. They love their Chanson machines. And I'm a guy that's had every machine on the market in my hands, and this is my favorite. I know I'm supposed to say that anyway as the CEO of the company, but it truly is my favorite. We have two models. We have a countertop model that happens to be the smallest 7-plate ionizer in the world. It takes up the least amount of countertop space. If you're somebody that doesn't want any kind of device on your countertop, then we make an absolutely gorgeous under-counter ionizer where the machine itself would actually go under the sink, and this would go on the countertop, and all the functions and controls are right here in the head. So it's probably one of the best under-counter ionizers I've ever seen in the world. I really appreciate you putting the time and energy into joining us today, and I thank you so much.